Hello, my good people. The controversy between uh, Alaafin Oyo Afe and Ooni Orisha is still ongoing. I see no reason why there should be controversy between them and why the two of us should be having problem. They should stop all this issue so that the Yoruba race will move forward. They say why Alaafin did not visit Ooni. The palace of the Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Abimbola Owuade, has explained why the monarch did not visit the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, during his recent trip to Osun State. According to the palace, Oba Owuade had intended to visit the Ooni as the first point of a call during the visit, but was informed that Oba Adeyeye was out of the country. In an interview with Saturday Punch, Oba Owade's personal assistant, Kolade Oladele, said the Alaafin's protocol officer had contacted the Ooni's palace to inform them of the visit, but was told that Oba Ogunwusi was unavailable. We didn't ignore the Ooni during the visit. We reached out to the palace, but we were told that Ooni wasn't around. Ooni's palace was the first point of a call in our initial itinerary, but we had to visit Oluwa first because of the development, he stated. Oba Wade visited Oluwa on Tuesday, and a development that generated controversy over a purported rift between him and the Ooni. The controversy was further fueled by Oluwo, who declared that Alaafin was superior to all other traditional rulers and titles in Yoruba land. Saturday Punch gathered that the Oluwo has been having a running a battle with the Ooni. His declaration also came amid ongoing claims of superiority by the supporters of both Ooni and Alaafin. However, Oladele dismissed insinuations of a cold war between Alaafin and the Ooni, stating that there was no rift between the two traditional rulers. He disclosed that Oba Owade would soon pay an appreciation visit to Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke and Ooni. I always tell people that there is no rift between Alaafin and the Ooni. Baba Alaafin doesn't have time to beg, begrudge anybody. What is paramount to him is the unity and the development of the Yoruba race, and he is committed to achieving that. We didn't visit Ooni the other time because Alaafin's protocol officer, who reached out to Ooni's palace, was told that Baba wasn't around. I want to tell you that we will pay an appreciation visit to Ooni and Governor Ademola Adeleke very soon. Alaafin isn't fighting anybody, Oladele said. Similarly, the Olowu of Kuta, Oba Adekunle Oyelude, told our correspondent on Thursday that he was aware of Alaafin's plan to visit Ooni before proceeding to the Oluwo. I was privy to the arrangement. Alaafin truly wanted to visit Ooni, but Baba was not at home. Alaafin didn't ignore Ooni at all. The two traditional rulers will work together for the progress and the unity of the Yoruba, he stated. But the director of media and public affairs at the Ooni's palace, Moses Olafare, said there was no official notification from the Alaafin's palace about the planned visit to Oba Ogunwusi. We were not notified that Alaafin was coming to visit Ooni. Nobody contacted us, either through letter or phone call, before Baba traveled out of the country. What we got was from one of our security operatives who informed us that somebody called him from the Alaafin's palace to ask if Baba was around. And he told the person that we were not around. Everybody knew we were not around. There was no notification or any form of communication suggesting that Alaafin was coming to visit Ooni before we left the country, he said. You see, this is what we are saying. My brothers and sisters, they should cooperate and let Yoruba race move forward. You see, here was some of our own are saying in the comment section. Why would a young man enter the throne and start a controversy? By the time the government comes with their political motivated policy and you are put where you belong, you will see. Who cares? What are the benefits of the operations of the Obas to the people they Kabiyesi over? However, Oba or Emir or Alaafin of Iwo must be cautioned. He is the crusader that is causing much trouble among the Obas in Oyo Osun axis. I hope this to continue the rivalry between their predecessor in office, Sijuade and Lamidi. Our Kabiyesi, please don't allow social media or content creator cause no peace and unity between you that can still extend to disunity among the kings. Consultation to choose rulers for the people so that their reigns will be peaceful, rancor, free, protective, and prosperous. They have turned themselves to armed robbers who will stop at nothing to enthrone their cronies in the underworld, thereby making rulership a matter of their pockets. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Rauf Aregbesola enthroned the debacle of Iwo land, while Makinde enthroned the madman of Gadarene in Oyo Kingdom. The damage done by these governors are enormous, and something needs to be done urgently to address this drift. Otherwise, the region will have itself to blame for the actions of this malady. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. But we shall be careful of what we do and what we say. Oluwa doesn't only behave like politician, but also like a tout. The Oluwa of Iwo is one man that is very pompous and creating disunity among Yoruba Obas. Why is he always in the battle of who is higher and who is lower among the kings? He should be called to order. He behaved like politicians. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. You see, all these Obas, they should be careful and unite with their subjects so that Yoruba race will move forward. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion to this issue. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless your kingdom. God bless Ooni of Ife. Thanks and God bless. Amen.